You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? So this is possibly one of the hardest name to pronounce, the name of a lake in Vermont, known as the Webster Lake, so maybe call it that way. Chagagagag Monchagagag Chabanambagangamag is how it's pronounced. If you want to break it down, Chagagagag Monchagagag Chabanagangamag. Yeah, so if you want to say it in one go, as quick as possible, Chagagagag Monchagagag Chabanagangamag. And now you have it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.